Another question came that when you have a problem with anxiety, are there any foods that one should eat and one should avoid? Answer is yes. Foods that irritate either the intestines or your mind, that will be, for example, spicy foods. Too many spices, they will create more anxiety. Caffeine will create more anxiety. Alcohol will create more anxiety. So those are the things that you don't want to. Another thing is to eat, for example, packaged foods, whether they are chips or they are tortillas or whatever they may be, especially late at night. When you eat foods that are hard to digest and break down, they will cause you more anxiety. So therefore, concentrate on foods that are calming. What are the calming foods? Any green food is calming, but late at night you can't even eat those foods. So what you do is you steam them. You steam greens, Brussels sprouts, whether they are kale or Swiss chard, or then in the salads you can have avocado, you can have cucumber, you have carrots. All these things are calming. So just find out which produces pitta. Get a book on Ayurveda, any simple book of Ayurveda, in which there will be kapha foods, pitta foods, and vata foods. Avoid the pitta foods and you will be not anxious. Besides, if you do your mantra regularly before the sunrise, that will help the most.